G'day winners and grinners, I'm Jason and welcome back to Street Car Culture. Today we are working on the absolute pinnacle of Australian automotive design, the VN Commodore. With its sleek design and rugged personality, the VN Commodore is admired by every true blue mullet having, single pegger rubber burning, Southern Cross tattoo wearing, goddamn Australian. The VN Commodore is a national treasure, much like Captain Cook, Mark Chopper Reed and Ned Kelly. Today we are going to start getting the VN behind me sorted and ready for sale. If the BT1 yellow is giving you a semi or the 20s are making you thirsty to pick up chicks at your local kebab drive-thru, hit us up in the comments and chuck us a subscribe. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so basically today we're just going to tidy a few things up. As I said in the intro, just get it ready for sale. Excuse the dust and stuff, it's been sitting here for like I think 3 years or something, so it's just full of dust or whatever, just in storage. Little things like obviously the air box, bleed the cooling system, a little bit of wiring here and there, bleed the brakes. Yeah, just a couple little things on the engine side, and then as you would have seen in the cinematics, we've got the interior to put in, but the problem with that is you guys might not be able to see too much because of lighting. So if I can get a light sorted, I'll time-lapse that. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to whack you guys on the time-lapse. I'm going to fit the air cleaner, the air box, start bleeding, filling up, bleeding the cooling system, and then we'll go around, bleed the brakes, and we'll go from there. So enjoy. Well boys, it's lunchtime, and when working on a yellow VN, what do you have for lunch? HSB brah, and a mother. So I'm just having lunch, haven't been able to do too much to the VN, running out of time. And we're based in Melbourne, so we're about to hit some pretty strict restrictions, so I think we're not going to be able to sort of do too much on this for a little while. That's the man that runs the show, walking away. But guys, check this out. We're building up our stock, our rotary stock, for big things to come. Excited. But yeah, with this, basically just put the intake on, did some cooling, did some brake stuff. But yeah, we still got a bunch of work to do, clean the whole interior. Yeah, but I might see if I can get the big man, the head honcho, to fire it up for us. Alright guys, that's going to be on the VN combo for today. Haven't been able to get as much done as I hoped, but it's just a factor of things with restrictions. We're going into stage 4 restrictions as of this week, I think. So getting parts is going to be pretty hard to do. I was going to fire it up, but yeah, we've got a few issues like a fuel leak and stuff, so I don't want to risk firing it up with a fuel leak. But yeah, hopefully just bear with us, bear with me probably the next couple of weeks. I'm going to try and get content out still, but it may be a bit tough again with the restrictions. I'm waiting on parts for my own build, so that you would have seen the building, like my sleeper build, so waiting on parts to build my own stuff. So once I get that, hopefully in the next week or two, we'll sort of be back onto that. So grab a HSP and have a good afternoon.